Do you want to buy whatever you wish for and still have some cash left in your pocket? If yes, then follow me and unveil the simplest yet effective ways to do so. Bad wealth management. Sounds terrible, and you're probably going through such a situation. You must be thinking, where does all my money go? It's like hocus pocus. I'm broken. Right? Several people are out there who just don't pay attention to proper financing as compared to other productive and well-organized people. Yet, there is hope for you if you're among the people who fail at money management. Keeping a good money management strategy is a light at the end of the tunnel for people who are trying to manage their expenditures. If you're a person who has a number of bank accounts or credit cards, keeping tabs on your finances might be tough for you. In this case, switching to a proper strategy to get organized and learn how to better manage your money will make you feel you're swimming against the current. Everybody who has their finances organized and controlled spends their life stress-free. Wouldn't it be great to find a simple trick or a magic mantra that helps you get rid of your money management and personal finance troubles? While that sounds utopian, there are some simple and easy ways that can help you solve your money problems. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Unwana, your free personal finance coach. Coming up in this video are the leading smart ways to opt for managing your money right. If you want to master your finances, watch this video till the end. Plus, do not forget to click the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload something new. What are we waiting for then? Let's dig into the video. 1. Build your budget. The primary thing you need to do is create your budget. Are you thinking, is it obligatory? I ask you, is it necessary to have a diet plan if you want to get in shape? Trust me, you need one. Building a budget and sticking to it is mandatory and plays a vital role in finance management. It may be hard initially, but it is worth it. Keeping a budget helps us to see our financial status with transparency. And this is the first important step you need to do to better organize your wealth. This step can help you pay your debts and let you save for your future expenses, including car, mortgage, or retirement. All these things are human wishes for, and by fulfilling them you'll be at peace. Now, to begin the game, what you need to do is know your expenses and your income for better management of your wealth. This is dealt with in the second step. 2. Know your expenses. You can ask anyone around you about how much they spend on everything they buy in a month. But there would be no answer. Nobody knows. There are rarely such people who know their expenses. The reason is that they don't have any money or financial management skills. It's a real problem, you know. But I have a solution. What you need to do is keep track of your spending for 1 month. It's as simple as that. Gather all your receipts, including restaurants, groceries, etc., review your bank statements, and add them up. Also, don't forget to add expenses paid through cash or debit cards. This needs to be done to account for all your expenses in order to get a single value of your monthly spending. This method will let you see the whole picture and you'll realize how much you spend in a month. By keeping track every month, you can lower your spending and improve your money management. 3. Know your income. Annual income £20, annual expenditure 19.6, result happiness. Annual income £20, annual expenditure £20 ought and 6, result in misery. Charles Dickens. Ask someone about their income and they won't tell you. People are so conscious of their income that they don't want to talk about it. Yet, they are so ignorant about their expenses and become a slave of their material things. See, this is the difference between expenses and income. However, the point is to figure out your expenses. What you need to do is subtract your total expenses of the month from the total income of the month. Here is the list of how results will pan out. If you end up with a negative amount, this implies you spent more than you earned. What to do now? Reduce your spending and expenditures until the answer reaches 0. If you end up with a positive amount, this is a big high five. That means you spent less than you earned. What to do now? You can boost your debt payments or increase your savings. Once you realize your expenditures and monthly revenue and have a great handle of the money coming in and out of your life, you are good to take additional steps. These will help you manage your money and save you from wasting it. 4. Slash unnecessary expenses. If you're spending your dollars every day on coffee, doesn't that waste your money? Isn't it unnecessary? It is. You can consider making your coffee at home. Spending for a gym membership but doing yoga at your apartment. Cancel your gym membership. Also, think about other memberships, subscriptions, accounts that you are spending on but you can live without them. Know that the goal is to learn to manage your finances better. And you can do so by taking every penny into account. So, think about it, cut expenses wherever you see an opportunity to. Especially if it's something that doesn't add any big value to your life. 5. Create an emergency fund. Unfortunate events happen and it makes sense to be prepared. Emergency funds play an important role in a personal finance blueprint. Save for this section and don't spend from it in any case until or unless there is an emergency. If a disaster takes place that you lose your job or any unfortunate or unexpected damage arises such as your car breaking down or a tree falling on your roof, this is when you are allowed to use that fund. Otherwise, don't tap into it and let it sit and compile up. 6. Use any tool or personal finance app. Your finances are already entangled, let's untangle them. How? Begin by getting familiar with technology. Put away your Abacus or Casio calculator. Several new and free tools are present out there that can help you manage your money as well as accomplish all the hard budgeting and calculating tasks. You can safely enhance, manage and regulate your money all in one place. With that being said, you'll have time to make smarter decisions and achieve your financial goals. So, download any app and start managing your finance right away. 7. Follow money management resources. Awareness is a strength. Every finance guru out there started just like you and me. What they did was just continuously got competent by making themselves aware of valuable ways and turned their passion into their career. Follow these finance gurus as they are well experienced and can give you some much needed advice on how you can manage your cash the right way. With that, they also tell inspiring stories to get you motivated on being the best edition of yourself in terms of attaining your financial goals. Now the question arises which expert you should follow. The answer is you don't need to go after a specific one. You can listen to everyone. The key is to carefully pay attention to what they say, absorb it, and only apply the pieces of advice or suggestion that apply to your case. Some of their financial vocabularies might sound alienating to you, so look for those kernels of knowledge that can apply to you and yours. You can become well organized just by following them. If you have your goals in mind and are willing to become just like your finance gurus, then do apply these steps. Get your act together and follow up. Think about how sweet that margarita drink will be on Miami Beach a few years from now. It sure will be amazing. So, get out of your comfort zone and take steps mapping out your personal finance strategy and manage your money and finances better than ever before. If you still feel like doing more with managing your finances, you can follow my digital course named Personal Finance Domination. This course will equip you with all the strategies you need to get your finances in order. Lastly, if you have found this video helpful, hit the like button right away. And, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section, and I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. The next videos on the screen contain information you will love, click to watch them now.